So I am here and I'm gonna buy a tree. And I think I know which one I'm getting. I already got a tree, but I'm going to be getting another flowering tree. Some sort of crab apple or something like that. Hang on. Oh, look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I like this one. It's not too tall, but I'm getting the taller one. We came a while ago when we got the other tree, and now I'm thinking of getting this one here. They look like little mini roses. Look at that. So we're gonna start here, okay? I'm going to show you what I have to work with. This is a huge project that's gonna take me a good few years to get down. The story is we had these two huge trees here. There's one there, and they were cut down because they were so huge. They were hitting those power lines up there, and there was sparks and fire, and Hydro had to come and cut them down, and they left us with two huge stumps, and I told them, we're not just going to live with stumps, so cut them down completely. So they cut them down completely. We planted these trees last 2 years ago. Okay, this is how it started. We want to hide that back here, right? Today I went out and I got this here. It is a Malice Royal Raindrops. It is absolutely beautiful. It is one of those, I think this is like a crab apple. Is that what it is? Crab apple. Something like that. But it smells amazing. Look at the beautiful flowers, guys. Just beautiful. I got this one here. I think I showed you, a while ago. This one is a Cretaceous Toba. Is that how to say that? Modern, ex-modern. Look at those. They look like mini roses. This one is it's a Prairie Fire. Prairie Fire crab apple. And the flowers, hang on, right here. We got some right here. These are grapes here. These beautiful little grapes start growing, and they're edible. Oh, he's interested because I'm filling this up here. He's scared of it. What are you doing? You're standing in my flowers. Watch my flowers, honey. So I have this beautiful tree that will be growing and getting much bigger. So I measured it to be about, for the size, I measured around maybe here. But I want a pathway here that will be between this tree and this tree. And of course, guys, this has got to get a lot bigger. Hey, Jace. Hi, JC. It's going to get a lot bigger. This tree is supposed to be, I think it said 15 feet. And I just wanted this one next to it. And because I think that the white flowers mixed in with the pinks here is going to be absolutely beautiful in the spring. So I'm going to dig a hole right now, here and here, and I'll kind of show you the process, see how things go. So I'm going to show just a little bit of how I'm getting this done here. So I'm just going to go all around my tree here. It's going to give me my measurement. Yeah, see, there's Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, honey. This is my daughter's little palm. Okay, I laid the tree down. Now I gotta take it out of this. Look at the beautiful root system here. They look a little tight, but it's all good. It's all good, guys. We're just going to put that straight in the ground, but I'm going to put, I have, what's it called? Is it mycorrhiza or something like that? That's something like that anyhow. So yeah, I'm going to put some all over the root system here and then put it in that hole there. Yeah, it seems pretty straight. Back up. There, like that. I should have probably made the hole a little wider, but it's fine. I'm getting it done. But the reason why is because, see, the root ball was over here, and I had maybe about 2-3 inches just width around. So I want to be sure that I'm getting the dirt right in there. So I'm kind of pushing that to the sides because I don't want any pockets of air. You will be a majestic tree one day. So beautiful. Okay, so tree number 2. Oh my God, am I ever gonna get this done? Digging a hole. That's the way you do it. Okay, planted number 2. So one there. And you guys will see, there's going to be flowers everywhere. There's going to be pathways, as I mentioned. I am not done with planting trees. I'm going to be planting little shrubs. I'm going to be planting, of course, flowers. This year, I'm not sure exactly what exactly I'm getting done, but for now I got these 2 in, and that's what's important. Woo! Tomorrow's another day.